in today's video, I'll show you a top 5 first things to do after setting up your THERMOMIX TM7. As you can see, my THERMOMIX TM7 is laying right here. And if you've just set it up, there are a few things that are worth doing before starting to use it to make sure everything works correctly. So first, go to the 9 buttons on the left sidebar and then click on the settings. Now make sure your Wi-Fi is connected, so make sure it's enabled and connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting it and entering its password. Then go to About THERMOMIX and search for updates. If there is an update available, you can install it. Once you click on install, it will start downloading it. After it downloads it, it'll start installing it. Make sure not to unplug your device, not to turn it off, and just don't touch it until the update finishes. Later, make sure the correct region and measurement system is set. You can go to country or language, then you can go to country or region, and if a different one is set, you can change it. It is important for the recipes to be displayed correctly, for the recipes that are available in your region. But remember, if you want to change the region, you'll need to reset the device and set it up again. Then make sure you have the measurement system set to metric or imperial, and that will be in scales and cooking. Once you scroll down, you can go to system and measurements and select imperial or metric. That will display the weight in ounces or grams and the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Now make sure you are signed into Cookidoo account. Once you go back out of the settings but still stay in the tools option, then you can find profile and Cookidoo. Then when you select Cookidoo, you can now sign in to your account. I'm already signed in, and that will give you an option to use the quite large database of pre-made recipes made by Vorwerk, which is the manufacturer of THERMOMIX, and yeah, they are pretty great. They allow you to use guided cooking mode, which will display recipes step by step on your display. By the way, there's a video on our channel on whether the Cookidoo is worth buying, so feel free to check it out as well. Now, once you know all of that, the last thing is to start looking for recipes and bookmarking them. If you have a Cookidoo account now, by the way, you can buy once you create a Cookidoo account, you get 1 month for free, or if your device was purchased new, then you get 3 months for free if you enroll into the 3 months for free. And what's great is you don't have to enter your credit card details for the trial. Now you can look for recipes, try try cooking something, and you can either cook it now or bookmark it. So let's find something simple. I think the butter cookies. It was butter biscuits. Yeah, I do like these ones because they're very easy to make, and I think they're good unless you want something different. Then yeah, you can basically see some ingredients, see some that you need an oven for it, some useful items as well. The difficulty is easy, and you can see how easy the recipe is. It also doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Then you can just start the recipe or bookmark it for later. Then you can find it in your bookmarks, for example, and I can select that recipe and start it. By the way, feel free to check out other videos on our channel to learn many other features of this device. You can see it shows you the recipe. It tells you what to do step by step. Then it tells you to put a certain amount of ingredients. It tells me to take the lid off, so I'll take it off, and I'll put the simmering basket in it instead of the actual flour to wait it, because I'm not actually cooking right now. You can see that when I add enough of the ingredients, it'll automatically tick it for me and I can get to the next ingredient. And so on. I'll just skip that for now, and then it automatically sets mixing. So I could just put the lid on top of my device, the lid with the cap on, with the cap attached. You can see it on the picture, and then I could start just like that. Then it will tell me all the next steps, what I need to do. So I do recommend this recipe or something else, something simple for the beginning to learn how to use your device. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.